What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to get your Ford Ranger started if your key fob dies. Whether that be a dead battery or some other issue, I'm going to show you how to get your vehicle started. So we're going to be doing it on a 2020 Ford Ranger in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So I've removed the battery from this key fob, as you can see, to demonstrate. So if I try pressing any buttons, none of those are working. If I go over here and try to start the vehicle as we normally would, I'm gonna get a message saying no key detected. So what we need to do is place the key fob in the cup holder. And it needs to be in here pretty specifically. It needs to be in the rear cup holder with the buttons facing up, and you need the top of the key fob facing the front of the vehicle. So you need it sitting in there just like that. And then if we come over here, you'll see that the vehicle will start just as it normally would. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.